dancing in the rain. 100 little dreams I'm holding, everyone can ease your pain. And these acoustic strings are sighing as the tempo starts to rise. We're stepping out of lonely pages. Love is written in our eyes. Feel the flutter in your footsteps. Every touch is warm and hot. Syncopated hearts are racing. Now this room's our secret spot. Yeah, we're turning up the softness where our two worlds intertwine. Get ready for a confession. See what blooms when your hands in mine.
Let this love loose now.
Let this love loose now. Twitch my heart loud.
Speakers glowing bright.
We're never turning back. Yo, step inside this moment, change pace, switch moods in sweet daylight. Lines as gentle as a whisper, every word can hold you tight. We take the classical, magical, folk and all romantic fire and blend it in the mixer till our pulses sing with pure desire. Microphone is breathing soft, the doubts all start to disappear. We blur down all the boundaries, our love keeps getting close this year.
We are the blenders of heartbeats.
Break every lonely echo down.
This is a beautiful promise.
Turned into our sweetest love sound.
No more rules and no borders.
Turn every tender feeling richer. This is the crash of our heart waves. We've been chasing for forever.
Rock is fading, bring the violins back in.
One last whisper kiss.